HP Laserjet Pro M107W printer. What's in the box? Pre-installed introductory HP Laserjet Black Print Cartridges Setup Guide. Reference Guide. 3 power cord, 1 USB cable. You can print A4 size and legal size with this printer. Its speed is 20 paper per minute. Its resolution is 1200 by 1200 dpi. Connectivity of this printer is wireless and USB 2.0 port. Paper handling 120 sheets paper input tray. In this printer you can use 107A cartridge. Its print capacity is 2000 pages maximum. This product have energy savings feature technology. HP auto on auto off technology, power save, power supply type. Power is 220 volt. You can print document from mobile with its wireless connectivity. Small size best for office and home use.